that thing down the whole time?
Oh, man. It's bad.
Guys, look. Let the bully show you. Look, this is how he drives. Look at that.
I can't pull
look
it
at
up.
Shit. Look at that. Oh my god.
I can't pull it up.
Don't let him fool you, okay? Don't let him fool you. And then we got a flat tire over here.
It's low because we got a flat tire.
Hey, we better have these problems at 2K, right? The car's ready though, you know what I mean?
As long as it's just these problems.
As long as these problems are fixable. These are fixable.
Alright, you guys know where we're at today. Houston Motorsports Park, our most dreaded track of ever.
Yeah.
I'm gonna lay it down.
We never have a good time here.
4 seconds today. Or bust.
Okay.
Bust.
Okay. It looks like you're gonna be busting some stuff.
We're gonna be busting some stuff, alright? So that's our main goal today is to get down the track cleanly and hopefully fast. We'll just have to see how fast. I'm gonna leave the tune-up alone for the first pass. If it goes good, the second pass I'm gonna full send it, and then we'll continue on going from there. Hey, don't be poking too much at that.
I machined this. I get this machine for you. I pay for these and you still use fucking red silicone. Oh my god.
You have to right there. There's exhaust leaks that happened right there.
I'm gonna take your turbos to get the fucking cut too.
Jeez. We get here, everything's gravy. Get the car out, get it unloaded, back to shoot, dust the tire pressure.
Can't fix the weather.
And then the rain comes down. The good news is our buddy Josh is here as well, and he's trying to get his new rear shocks lined out as well, so at least I got to see him make a pass. We tried. We came out here, we tried. It's raining worse. We put ice in it, we were getting ready to go up there, and it's raining a lot worse, so we're gonna call it. There's no point in trying to wait hours for the cleanup once it stops raining, so that's what it is. Failed attempt, oh well. Put it in the trailer, trying to find the next day. Hopefully, keep your eyes peeled if you see a rental coming up, because if I see a rental, I'm gonna jump on it. I have to. We gotta get this car tested as soon as possible. I don't want to wait till the last minute, so we'll try again next week, and if not, then we'll go from there.
Get it, boy.
I'm wearing the...
Get it, boy.
I'm wearing the brace pants. I can't bend my legs. They don't make them out of stretchy material, Raymond.
Everybody struggles. Everybody struggles, Raymond.
I always forget to take my pants off before I load the car. Guys, I can't even begin to tell you how I'm really geeking out over this freaking alignment machine. Check this out. See this little air hose on each corner you attach to the wheel, and then check this out. You put the air pressures you want, hit start, and it fills it up by itself. What the fuck is that all about? Oh my god, this thing is just, it's like a dream come true for me, to be honest with you. I've done alignments before, but a long time ago when I was a mechanic, and this thing is like, look at the LED strips on the bottom pointing up. I mean, it's just really state-of-the-art. Just the in-ground capability I would have killed for a long time ago. But yeah, I'm really geeking out over this thing, obviously, but yeah, I just wanted to geek out a little bit about this alignment machine over here at Leading Edge Collision. A lot of work done. As you can see, the hood's being fitted as we speak. The gaps are a lot better. Did have to trim a lot to get it to work there, but it's a lot better. So we should be able to, no problem, have a hood ready for Texas 2K. That's not an issue. We're right on it now. The car's together. The car's good to go. I just need to go make some passes and make sure everything's good there. But yeah, we're ready to go. Alright, so today's adventure back at the track again, back at HMP. that first pass. But it's a lot, I think, further off than we have been with the old shocks. With the old shocks, it was just unloading a lot. And with so far here with that first pass, it just kind of tire shook. But it feels like it's getting better. So I gave it a little more setting in the back. Let's see what that does, and then attack it from there. But Big Raymond here at the house, helping me get black back into the bullet since it's been, I think, years since anyone's touched it, really.
It's been pretty neglected lately.
It's been very neglected lately, but he's got it shining nice. I didn't even know that we could get it this polished out. I mean, it is nice. So big shout out to this guy for helping me out. But yeah, as you guys seen in the last couple minutes, it didn't go so well for us at HMP. I have my thoughts on that. Josh and I both got together and we kind of have our thoughts on that. But I'm gonna put it behind me. What I'm gonna do is start fresh at Baytown. We got to test there anyways for Texas 2K since that's the event. That's where the event is. So that's the plan. I'm gonna shine her up. Get a couple things cleaned up on it and fixed because it's pretty much race ready, other than not knowing if it's actually going to hook or not. But I think we'll solve that once we get to the first round of eliminations, which I think is on Thursday. So that's where we're at with it. So yeah. Anything else, Raymond, we need to talk about before we go?
To work.
Yeah, just got to get to work. That's right.
Get to work.
How about this for an update, YouTube? In case you guys missed it, we actually live streamed this thing over on our Twitch account, which you can find in the link down below. But yeah, how about this for an update? The last video you guys saw, we were polishing this thing. Now we're taking the motor completely apart. How's that for a transition? After a good 12-hour depression session, I got back on the horse and I decided to source solutions. Luckily, big shout out to Colin if you guys aren't following him and his twin turbo rat rod. Link will be down here somewhere or up here. Good old Colin works at LME. They had the gaskets that I needed to make this work in stock. Got them, and now he's here helping me take the cylinder heads off because the cylinder heads, I used to run these, I think they're Vulcan brand or something, fire rings on these cylinder gaskets, and yeah, they're cut into the head. So now I got to get the head milled in order to put the new gaskets on. So yeah, obviously I was a little bit bummed out when this happened, but luckily we're making it work. And big shout out to Big Chief and Leets over in the stream for helping me get this far. They did some insane donos on the Twitch stream that's gonna help me get this thing back up and running a lot sooner. So big shout out to those guys. All right, so that's it. That's the update so far. Car's completely apart, and yeah, let's. Luckily for you, we'll just transition right over to the next part.
I missed that.
You missed that?
Just watching YouTube, like, oh yeah, they're done.
Oh yeah, it's over.
Now I'm actually doing the work. I'm like, this isn't fun.
Damn you YouTube watchers.